Goo Gone versus Gorilla Glue, a safe solution?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common but potentially troublesome issue: removing Gorilla Glue from various surfaces. The big question is Goo Gone safe and effective for this task? Stick with us to find out.
What is Goo Gone?
Goo Gone is a commercial adhesive remover which contains a blend of petroleum distillates and citrus extracts. It's been used effectively to remove sticky substances from numerous surfaces. But the question remains, can it safely handle Gorilla Glue? Let's find out.
What is Gorilla Glue?
Gorilla Glue is a very strong adhesive that is known for its industrial holding power and versatility. Once it's set, it can be particularly difficult to remove, especially from porous surfaces.
Can you use Goo Gone to remove Gorilla Glue?
Now, here comes the answer to our burning question. Yes, Goo Gone could be used to remove Gorilla Glue from non-porous surfaces, such as metal, glass, and plastics. But remember, while it's effective, it's not always a quick process. It might require some time and elbow grease.
Is Goo Gone safe for all surfaces?
While Goo Gone is effective, it's essential to note that it's not safe for all surfaces. For instance, it shouldn't be used on silk, leather, suede, or rubber. Also, unsealed stone, unfinished wood, and uncoated metals may be damaged by Goo Gone. Always remember to perform a spot test on an inconspicuous area first.
How to use Goo Gone to remove Gorilla Glue?
1. Apply a small amount of Goo Gone to a cloth or sponge. 2. Gently rub the glue spot. 3. Let it sit for a few minutes. 4. Wipe and clean the area with soap and warm water. So there you have it, folks. Goo Gone can be a safe and effective way to remove Gorilla Glue from many surfaces, but not all. Always perform a spot test first and follow the instructions closely. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.